Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer your Webull account to Robinhood. This process involves moving your investments from one brokerage to another, and it's quite common. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll need to understand the ACATS process, which is the standard method for these transfers. Then, decide if you want to move all your assets or just a portion. Finally, make sure your Robinhood account is fully set up and ready to receive your investments. Before initiating the transfer, it's crucial to prepare your Webull account properly. First, settle any outstanding balances or margin calls to avoid delays. Next, review your holdings and close any positions like certain cryptocurrencies or complex options that Robinhood might not support. Also, double-check that your personal information, such as your name and address, is identical on both Webull and Robinhood. Lastly, ensure there are no pending trades in your Webull account before proceeding with the transfer request. Once your Webull account is prepared, you can initiate the transfer directly from Robinhood. Log into your Robinhood account and locate the section for transferring an external brokerage account. You will then select Webull from the list of available institutions. Carefully enter your Webull account number and indicate whether it is a cash or margin account. Review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy, then submit your transfer request. Robinhood will then begin the process of pulling your assets. Understanding the costs and timeline is important for a smooth transfer. Webull generally charges a $75 fee for outgoing ACATS transfers, which might be deducted from your account or added to your Robinhood account as a debit. Fortunately, Robinhood does not charge any fees for receiving incoming transfers. The entire process, from initiation to completion, typically takes about 5 to 7 business days. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account for updates and the arrival of your transferred assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.